Hello and welcome to the Mama Mel Collection, a sewing and embroidery business here in Central Florida. Today we are doing something super fun. Just kidding, we're doing something that nobody wants to do, and that's cleaning the bobbin area of your embroidery machine. We are specifically looking at a SmartStitch S1201 today, but in general, it's the same for all multi-needle embroidery machines. So let's get started. We're gonna get down and dirty, clean out the bobbin area, take the bobbin out, the bobbin arm. We are going to take the needle plate off, take the bottom part off. This can cause so many issues if it is not cleaned, and I am watching so many people not do it, not maintain their machines. So I'm going to start explaining why we should. And this needs to be done regularly, like every day, every other day at the latest, because buildup, dust, threads, things that get stuck down here in the bobbin area can cause you so many issues. Tension issues, thread breaks, birds' nests, things that you don't want to deal with, and that can be avoided if you just clean your bobbin area, the bobbin arm. So let's hop to. Okay, first things first, if you are wondering what a bobbin arm is, what a bobbin is, what I'm talking about when I say that we need to be cleaning it, it is this. This is the bobbin arm. It opens, sometimes it is, here we go. It opens up and it houses your bobbin. So to get started in cleaning, we want to remove the bobbin. And we want to remove the needle plate, and then we are going to remove this underneath plate, which is 3 sides. So once that is all off, we are going to vacuum, wipe, sweep, suck it all out, make sure it's nice and clean. We're going to oil it, and we're going to put it back together for smooth sailing. Okay, so in your toolkit that came with the machine, there should be a set of these babies, and we are going to use them to take off the top needle plate, and then we are going to use a standard screwdriver to take off the screws for underneath. This is so important. This is so important to keep up with to ensure that your machine stays running nice and smooth. A lot of times you can't tell where an issue is coming from, and lo and behold, there's a tiny little thread stuck that's causing all sorts of issues and just needs to be cleaned out. So there is the needle plate removed. We're just going to set it aside. And then for the sides and bottom of this metal part, we are going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. There are 3 underneath, 1 underneath, and 1 on each side. If you want to do better than me, make sure you have your hand underneath so it doesn't go flying. But you can see this is the bottom piece, and it just comes right off once the needle plate is off and once these 3 screws are off. So this is part that we want to get cleaned up, as well as all inside here. Okay, so in order to start cleaning, you will want a brush of some sort. And that's the first thing that we're going to do, is we're going to just brush it out. You will probably see lots of fuzzies, maybe even some little threads. And that is everything that we want to get out of there. We do not want that in there. And you want to be checking all around top, bottom, sides. Make sure you don't, oh, see, I don't know if you can see that, a tiny little thread or fuzzy. Make sure there is nothing stuck anywhere. Next thing we're going to do, and a little tip that I have, is I like to cut up scrap pieces of flannel fabric and just use them as cleaning wipes for my machine. They sop up the oil and they get things nice and tidy. So we are looking shiny already, but I also clean mine regularly. So I just take my scrap piece of flannel, wipe it down after I use the brush. I have this little handheld rechargeable vacuum that I like to take when I'm done wiping it down and dusting it off, and just make sure I didn't forget anything, and suck up any last little parts that I missed. So there we have it. It looks so fresh and so clean. There is not a single lick of lint. It's shiny, brand new all around. No threads in there. Looks good. And now we are going to put it back together. Drop some oil in. And we can start embroidering again. And to be super easy, before you put the needle plate back on, we're gonna put a drop of oil right on top here. 2 drops of oil. Oh, it looks so good. Voila, you did it. Okay, so there you have it. Super easy. You only need 2 tools, a screwdriver, as well as one of those little Allen wrench things. Pop all the parts off, wipe it down, brush it out, clean it, vacuum it, whatever you need to do to make sure there is no lint, dust, or thread buildup in there that could cause trouble with your machine and embroidery. So this should be something that you're doing with your maintenance daily, weekly. Make sure you're oiling, all the things, but we will have more videos on that to come. Again, this was on the SmartStitch S1201. Everything will be linked below that I used. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments. And if you liked this content, don't forget to come back and subscribe for more.